In this video, I will be showing you how to clear the browsing history in Duckduckgo browser. So let's get started. So first thing, if you want to clear a selected search, for that, to the rightmost top you're having these three icons, right? Click it, go to history and select show all history. And here you can just scroll over your browsing and we'll be having this three dots icon. Click it and just select delete. This will just remove that particular selection. And in case if you want to remove the entire browsing history, to the rightmost top here we are having this flame icon. Just select that and click on clear. So here we will be having the details and that's it. So this will completely erase the every search history that we have. So now if I go to history, show all history, as you can see it's completely empty. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.